Couple of quick keyboard shortcuts now. If you know the name of a song you're looking for, and it's going to take you too long using Browse to find it, going up and down all the playlists, opening folders, hopefully you already know how to do that, but if you can't find it quickly and you know the name of it, Command if you're on a Mac, or Control if you're on a PC, and F on the keyboard, so Command and F on Mac, highlights this small search field in Serato DJ, allowing me then to type in the name of an act. So if I type in Justin Bieber, we see everything by Justin Bieber. But if I delete it and go, actually, I want Justin Timberlake, I see everything by Justin Timberlake. Our computers at DJ School have 17,000 songs on. It's quite a lot, so it can be useful to know who you're looking for and search for them like that. At home, at a gig, in the middle of a performance, if you suddenly get inspired to play a song, that's the quickest way to find it. There are also heaps of keyboard shortcuts on Serato, which, if you happen to try and type in the name of a song and you're not within that search field, you run the risk of accidentally using a keyboard shortcut to do another function. We have very recently had a kid in the middle of a performance accidentally make the whole song go backwards. I can't remember what button it was. He thought he was typing in here, but whatever button he actually pressed when he wasn't within the search field turned the song backwards. It went into reverse. Utterly ruined his mix, obviously. So just be aware, if you're going to start searching, this field has to be lit up. If you're searching within a playlist, you can just click straight on it and type in. But if you want to search the whole library, Command and F first, it automatically goes up to all playlists and searches the whole library.